Just made it back into the RV. We ain't been here in a month, so the grass is very wild outside. But you're gonna cut that. But this is the inside of our RV. This is what we call Joy. That's our RV name, is Joy. So we got a lot of stuff out. Hi, just to give some quick information about Lake Placid. It was one of the it was one of the first black vacation spots for African Americans in Missouri. It was founded in 1934 by Dr. P.C. Turner. This resort, I'ma hurt you.
What?
Okay, some quick information on Lake Placid. It was one of the first black vacation spots for African Americans in Missouri. Founded in 1934 by Dr. Percy C. Turner, this resort was referred to as a recreational center for colored people. It was a sanctuary where black families could gather, relax, and enjoy leisure time in an era of Jim Crow and segregation. We're honored to be stewardess and participants of this great resort and land, and our goal is to preserve and restore its legacy while creating a space where new memories can be made. We will be sharing more about how we plan to develop this land in future videos, blending the old with the new in a way that respects its history. If you're interested in the stories of the past and how we're bringing them into the present, make sure to subscribe and follow our journey. Or being with the Robinsons and Land Chronicles. Hey everyone, I'm Odessa with being with the Robinsons and Land Chronicles. I'm out here today, kind of just walking our land and doing some video recording since my husband had came and we cut it because we hadn't been up here for almost a month, and so we had a lot of growth. So I'm turning my camera around and kind of let y'all see how it is. I'll probably do like a side-by-side screen, letting you see how it was when we first came and how it looks now. All right, here we go. There go my honey walking the thing. So, but he cut all this because it was all extra tall. There go our baby Joy. We call our RV Joy. So, but I'm just kind of walking it. So we still have a lot of working plans and stuff that we want to do for it, because just like with leveling the laying off some, we're going to bring in a couple of loads of dirt in the fall to kind of level it off some more. I'm not going to go all the way down this hill. Look, I'm not going all the way down there. So, but there's still like a pile of the trees that we had got cut down that we still gotta burn. So, but I just wanted to kind of show y'all a little bit of it with it being cut. If you can kind of see it really good. Oh, that's my husband over here on the side of us. So this is pretty much like how our land looked before we got it cleared. So I'm Odessa, and today me and my husband is working on a little critter problem. As being an RVer, you're subject to have this issue. So there have been little friendlies that's on the land that's been coming into the RV when we're not here. So today my husband is trying something that we can use while we're not on the land. So I'm going to turn the screen around and let y'all in on what he's doing.
Look what the mice did. They didn't cut up one of my teeth. Look what the mice did. They didn't cut up one of my teeth.
All right. So what he's doing is he's installing a screen over our thing that goes. I guess this is like the heater and stuff. And so like right now, since we're not like running the heat or air conditioner or whatever right now, he's going to put the screen on while we're away. So like the little critters won't be able to get in, because we believe we established where they're coming in at, you know. And so let's get busy. Go ahead, Venice. So this is one of our little do-it-yourself projects. So we are going to let you know how it works out, and if we have any company while we're not here. But just to like as a precaution, we're still going to put down our glue traps, because we found that the glue traps works with catching them, you know. And so, but we want to get it to where they're not in our RV at all, you know, or just that they can't get past the encampment, you know, of where they be entering in at. So just stay tuned with us and we'll let you know how it go. And this is part of our RVing with the Robinsons and Land Chronicles. And remember, DIY tips just for you.